Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer your Google Drive files in the full 2026 way. Whether you're switching accounts, sharing files with someone else, or just moving everything to a new workspace. Yeah, this method keeps it clean and simple. So first things first, sign in to the Google account where your files are currently stored. Just head over to Google Drive and make sure you're logged into the right account. You know, the one that actually has your stuff. All right, once you're inside Drive, go ahead and select the files or folders you want to move. You can pick a single folder, or you can click and drag to select everything, whatever works for you. Now, there are a couple ways to do the actual transfer, and I'll show the easiest ones. So let's go through them. The first and fastest way is to share the files with your new Google account and then change the owner. This keeps everything inside Google Drive. No downloading, no re-uploading. So just type in your other account's email address, hit share, and then set it to editor. After that, you'll click the drop-down and pick transfer ownership. Boom, your new account becomes the owner automatically. The second method is the old school download and upload. This works great if you're moving only a few files or if you just prefer to keep a local backup. So download the files as a zip, sign into your new Google account, and then upload them into Drive. It's slower, but super reliable. And if you're moving like your entire drive, everything, Google Takeout is the best option. It packages all your files and lets you send them straight to another account. Choose Google Drive, select the delivery method you want, and send it right to the other account. It takes a while, but it transfers everything without you touching each file. Before you call it done, sign into the new Google account and make sure the files landed where you expected. Check permissions, check ownership. Just a quick sanity check so nothing goes missing. And that's the full 2026 guide on how to transfer your Google Drive files. If this helped you out, go ahead and hit like. And consider subscribing for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.